So hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I'm excited to bring you guys a giveaway. It's nothing major here, but it's a nice little part. I want to show you here. It's for the cup holders. If you remember, I did a review on the cup holder liners that are made of leather. Well, I want to do a giveaway to give you guys a chance to get them if you haven't already. Pick some up. I'll have two running in this one. I'll have a black set available and a brown set available too. So let me go ahead and show you if you don't remember. So here they are, the black set and the brown set for the 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord. Nice little liners here to protect your car, make cleaning up easier. I like the quality of these. So here I took both pieces out. You can see the difference in color there. Just the black one made of leather. And then the brown one here. Really nice. So what I'm going to do for this one, kind of like I did before in the last giveaway I did, just comment below why you guys want these and what color you want. And then I'll use a automatic name generator that'll pull all the names of everyone that entered, and it'll pick two people. Now I'll run it twice for the different colors. I'll run one for the black one, then I'll run it for the brown one, and I'll post those results on the video coming up so you can see it live. So it's all genuine, it's nothing fake here. So down below, just leave a comment why you want it, what color you want, and then I'll run it for a week to give everyone a fair shot, and then I'll announce it, or you can even see it on my next video, who won, and then I'll just contact you, get your address, and ship it out to you. Again, nothing crazy on this one. I'll have more coming up in the future, bigger giveaways. Wanted to start with this for you guys on your Honda Accord. If you haven't had something already like this, I am a fan of these. They're very useful, and it's a simple product too. So again, put a comment in the section below. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there, being safe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.